The Cushman Company started building small engines for farm use, pumps, lawnmowers, and boats. Cushman began making scooters in 1936 as a means to increase the sale of their engines during the Great Depression. The Cushman Trucksters, like this one, were produced from 1952 to 2002. This particular model is a 1981 version. It has an open storage area behind the cab and a closed lockable storage area at the rear. The Trucksters were small and light, and they have been used for ice cream sales, mall and stadium maintenance, and by law enforcement agencies for parking enforcement. They were sometimes referred to as meter-maid cars, as they would provide transportation for female parking enforcement officers. This 1981 model is powered by a two-cylinder, four-stroke, 18-horsepower OMC air-cooled engine. Uniquely, two coils run off the same set of points and both fire at the same time, one for power and one for clearing unburnt gases. It is coupled to a 3-speed manual transmission. Due to the air-cooled engine exhaust feeds into an air-to-air heat exchanger and then on to a standard muffler. An auxiliary fan brings in outside air and delivers the warmed air to the cab and directly to the base of the windshield. The police used these vehicles for enforcing parking time limits in the downtown area during the early 1980s. These Cushmans exhibited certain custom additions, likely added locally. The restoration of this Cushman was given a functional style of restoration rather than a nut and bolt factory style of restoration, which saved a lot of time. This vehicle was one of two. It had undergone an extensive breakdown, while the second vehicle remained relatively intact, donating its unique and unavailable parts to complete its sister unit.